Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube channel. I will give you some steps to create a YouTube channel. So, please watch this video until the end. If you want to have a YouTube channel, first you have to have a Gmail account. If you have a Gmail account, you can skip this step. Okay, let's make a Gmail account. For the first, open a new tab and then type gmail.com. After opening gmail.com, you can choose Use another account to create a new account. Choose Create account if you have not had a Gmail account. You can choose for myself, and then you can type here your first name, your last name, your username, and also your password. For example, in this case, I want to use Fauhow tutorial. And I want to use a username fauhow.tutorial@gmail.com. If you want to make a Gmail account for your YouTube account, I suggest you to make a Gmail account which the name is the same as your YouTube account. For example, in this case, I want to make a channel named Fauhow tutorial, and here I make a Gmail account named fauhow.tutorial@gmail.com. And then you can type your password. You can confirm this. And then you can click next. Here you can fill with your number, and Google will use this number only for account security. Your number won't be visible to others. You can choose later whether to use it for other purpose. I choose to make it blank, and then you can also fill the recovery email address. And this recovery email address will be used to keep your account secure. And here I want to use my another email. Fill your birth date here, your month, day, and year. And you can choose your gender, male, rather not say, or custom. After filling all of this, you can click next. Privacy and terms, you can read all of this or just scroll down and click agree. Yeah, and finally, we have succeeded to create a Gmail account. After creating a Gmail account, let's go to the next step, that is creating a YouTube channel. To create a YouTube channel, you can go to youtube.com. This is my new account, fauhow.tutorial@gmail.com. And then you can choose to click a profile icon on the top right corner here, and then create a channel. Here, you can make a name for your YouTube channel. And I want to make a Fauhow tutorial. I suggest you to make a YouTube channel name very impressive, so many people will like your channel and subscribe to your channel. And then also you can upload a picture for your channel. I'll choose this. After uploading your profile picture, you can create a channel. Yeah, we have succeeded to create a YouTube channel.